Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar for 15th March 2021. So this analysis is for 15th March only. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis for 16th March. Okay. So this analysis for Monday only. Okay. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So right now we can see that the last traded price of the market is 1.2474, and the good news is that market is almost trading at the support. Okay, and the support is at 1.2464. Okay, it is almost trading at a support level. So if I zoom out the chart, okay, if I zoom out the chart, we can see that market is in downtrend. Okay, market is in downtrend. Market went up a little, then market was in consolidation. Okay, market was in consolidation for a while, then after that market fell again, and right now market is just trading at the support. So what should be our strategy? Okay, so what should be a strategy for Monday? So our strategy is again a simple strategy as I always say. Okay. At first we need to look where the market opens. Okay, if the market opens somewhere here or above this line, okay, if market opens above this line, then just wait for the market either to go up or go down. Okay, do not execute the order right away. In case market goes up, okay, in case market goes up, then let it go and hit the 50 moving average, because 50 moving is 50 moving average is like a resistance for the market, because we can see that here it has acted as a resistance, again here it has acted as a resistance, and here also. So let the market go up. Okay, in case the market opens above this line, then let the market go up and hit the 50 moving average. Okay, when market will hit the 50 moving average, just observe. Okay, observation is the main thing. Okay, just observe how the price is doing. If you see that price has crossed the 50 moving average, then do not do anything, do not buy, do not sell anything. Okay, just wait and watch, just wait and watch. Okay, if market crosses the 50 moving average, you do not need to trade. Okay, you do not need to trade in this zone. Okay, this is your no trading zone. Okay, this whole zone is your no trading zone, because market has no proper trend. Okay, market has no proper trend in this zone. Therefore, if market crosses the 50 period moving average and goes up, boom, okay, you do not need to buy. Okay, in case market gets resistance at the 50 moving average and comes down, okay, and give you some reversal sign like price rejection from above, shooting star kind of a pattern, or a big fat red candle, then you can short the market at the 50 moving average. And on the other hand, if market goes up, do not buy. Okay, do not buy. In case market reverses from this particular point, okay, in case market reverses from here or here, okay, and with good volume, if it comes down, okay, like this, then you can short the market. Otherwise do not go for buy. Okay, only when market will go up, only look for shorting the market opportunity, either at the 50 moving average, or either if it goes up a little bit and comes down. Okay, only look for shorting the market opportunity. And okay, so in case market comes down, okay, in case market comes down, let me take the pencil again. Okay, in case market comes down, okay, then just see how the price reacts in this price range. Okay, 1.2464, because this is the support for the market. Okay, this is the support for the market. If you see that, market is not ready to go down, okay, and if you see some price rejection from below like this, or a big fat green candle like this, okay, we see that okay, there is bulls are not allowing the market to go down, okay, just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that okay, market is not ready to go down, then you can take a small risk and buy here. Just keep your stop loss somewhere down here, okay. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, there is a high chance that market will break this level, okay, because overall trend of the market is down, and just by looking at this selling pressure, we can easily say that the sellers are still dominating the market, okay. So there is a high chance that market will cross this line. In case market crosses this line, just look for the volume, okay. If the volume is convincing enough, then you can short term market here, okay. Just wait for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and just see. If you after 1 hour also, if you see that market is trading below the line, below the support level, this level 1.2464 level, then short the market. And in case market opens below this line tomorrow, okay, in case market opens below this line, then wait for stochastic RSI. Okay, wait for stochastic RSI to go up. Go to the overbought zone. When stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone, just check the position of the price. If you see that the price is still trading below the support level, which was at 1.24, then it is clear that, or it will be clear that the support has become the resistance. In that case, when stochastic RSI will be ready to go down again, just short the market. Okay. When stochastic RSI will be overbought zone and it will be ready to go down again, just short the market, okay, below this line. So this is the simple strategy that you can follow for US dollar Canadian dollar for Monday. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. See ya tomorrow with the analysis again. Thank you so much and good luck. And do not forget to subscribe.